Now hear me out. Are you a fashion designer? Are you a tailor? And you make shirts? Now I want you to make sure you listen to this particular video because it's going to really help you. Now in this video we are going to be talking about those 5 places on your shirt that when you finish making and you have a customer that can pay very well, all these high-end customers that they love finishing, they love details. Now in this video I'm going to be telling you those 5 places on your shirt that they always like to look at, that when they are done looking at it, they will not decide on their own. They will consider whether to give you that job. And I promise you, if you mistakenly get this kind of customers and they give you job, you're going to make enough money out of it, because these people don't really they don't mind paying you excess. Do you understand? Provided you get what they want. And the 2 major things they want is, number 1 is finishing, then number 2 is fitting. Now we are talking about the finishing. There are 5 places on a shirt. We are talking about shirts right now. Do you understand? These places are the places they look at, and if you want to know these places, make sure you listen to the end. Now number 1 place they look at is the part I call the collar. As you guys can see, I'm wearing a collar. Now to tell you guys the truth, even you that is watching me, some of us that is watching me, you know that whenever you are making a shirt, sometimes this collar used to be very hard for you. Do you understand? Sometimes when you finish making the shirt, the collar doesn't look so nice. Now this is the part of a shirt you need to learn very well. Do you understand? So when you are done making your shirt, make sure the collar is nice. So whenever you are making your collar, make sure you make it with the right interfacing. Do you understand? What I call interfacing is all this gum stay. You can use the normal medium gum stay if you want, but me, most cases I use the word collar gum. But I promise you, I don't use the collar gum on all my shirts, because the type of interfacing you use is dependent on the texture or the kind of fabric which you are using. That's what I usually like to tell people. So make sure your stitch is very neat on this collar. What I'm trying to say is that some persons, when they are making a shirt, they notice that their machine is not okay, the stitch is not, they will want to manage it. Please don't manage it on this particular collar, because this particular part is the number 1 place they usually look at on your shirt. Then the number 2 place they usually look at on your shirt, you'll be surprised, is the placket, center placket. You see this center placket? Now let me show you guys something. See this center placket? If you are making a shirt, and you know some of us like to run stitch here. Do you understand? And you notice that when you run stitch here, your hand is not straight. Please, I promise you, don't run that stitch. Don't run it here, don't run it here. Do you understand? Why did I say so? I say so because without running a stitch on your center placket, you can actually finish the shirt and you still don't run a stitch at the center placket. Now let me explain to you what I mean. You see this center placket? When you run a stitch, it kind of holds it, do you understand, so that it will not lose it. But in a situation whereby you fold this thing very well, the way we are supposed to fold it, for those of you that don't know how to fold your center placket, let me know in the comment section. I will teach you how to do that. Now, if you fold it very well, remember center placket used to be 2 inches when you are cutting it. So when you fold one and fold another one, that means that is how to fold it very well. Now, when you go and do buttonhole, the buttonhole on its own holds your center placket. Then on the other side you put a button. The button also holds that particular part. So it's not compulsory that you actually do the stitching. Do you guys understand? So this is to enable you, when the customer sees that job, the customer will not be seeing your center placket as something that your hand is not straight. So I want to tell you, be very careful. This is the number 2 point that customers, all these high-end customers or detailed customers, usually like to look at. Then number 3 place they like to look at is your sleeve cuff. You see all this long sleeve that we wear? You see that cuff? If that cuff is not well done, it is not neat, just like your collar, you have to choose a better interfacing for it. For those of you that don't know how to choose better interfacing for your collars and cuff, please state it in the comment section. If your own is collar, state it, I don't know how to, you understand, in the comment section. If it is cuff, state it, I want to learn how to choose a better interfacing, or I want to learn how to do it. State it in the comment section. Now you see this your cuff, it's very important. These are the one of the major places they actually look at. Do you understand? After looking at the collar and the center placket, then another part they look at, which is very important, you might be surprised, is the hem of your shirt. What do I mean by the hem of your shirt? Hem of your shirt is the down part of your shirt. The way you fold it, the way you sew it, how well finished it is very important for all these high-end customers. See, these people actually love finishing well. See, you might not be too good in giving them the perfect measurement, but see, if they can be able to wear your clothes, what they need most is the finishing. So you need to really know how to finish very well so as to attract all these high-paying customers. Then the final place these people used to look at, you'll be surprised, is your button. Your button and buttonhole. Now, this one might not be so compulsory. Do you understand? Now, you see some of us that like to use our normal machine to do our buttonhole. See, if you are ready, if you want to be working for high-paying customers, high-paying clients, please don't try that. Don't use your normal sewing machine, your normal straight sewing machine, because you found a way to do your buttonhole, and some persons will tell you that this is also very, very nice. See, you can only use that for some kind of customers. Do you understand? No high-paying customers. See, for me, I don't think it's too costly for you to go to a place they do official buttonhole and do it. Then secondly, remember I talked about buttonhole and your button. Secondly is your button. Now, you know, there are kind of buttons that you buy. Let's say, example, a customer gives you a fabric that is very, very costly. You go and choose all this cherewere kind of button. For those that don't understand what I mean by cherewere kind of button, I'm just trying to say the kind of buttons that are not worth it. Buttons they sell 10 naira, 20 naira, 5 naira. Those buttons are not cheap. There are high-end buttons for high-end customers. Please, when you do these kind of things, you and your customer checks your work, not just your customer. You might be surprised that somebody actually wants to give you, not just your regular customer, you might be surprised somebody wants to give you a contract of millions just for you to do shirts, high-end shirts in big quantity. Do you understand? Sometimes these people will come and say, please, can I see your shirt? Please, if you know how to do your shirts this way, I promise you, you'll get a better, like you will be attracting all these high-end customers. Thanks and may God bless you. I don't want this video to be too long. For those of you that don't know how to draft all these shirts and all these trousers, if you are into ready to wear, you don't know how to draft all these things very well, please, I want to let you know I have a book that have a lot of topics, both this particular shirt. It will teach you this detail by details, like step by step. If you want to get this book, make sure you click on the first link on my bio. Yes, if you see my bio, under it you see a link. This link will take you to a website whereby you purchase this book. I promise you, this book is going to do wonders for you. I know you might not love working with books, but I promise you, this my own book is totally different. Then when you get this book, make sure you DM me. I'm going to be adding you to a special group where you see the videos, explanations of this same book. Thanks and may God bless you. I love you guys.